particular, what is it? This particular words that appeared in my browser. These words. Let me do font. Let me increase the font. Okay. Font dash size. Let's say 50 pixels to just boost everything up. It's okay. This thing I seen is a box, so it is a box. It's a pure box. Now that box, this is the content. That particular words that you saw, words speak louder. That's the content, and that particular element has some space inside it. That space we call it padding. That interior or the internal space of that particular element or the box. Everything is a box. Okay, it's a box having a length and a width. But then they all have what? Some inside space. We call it padding. Okay. Let's experiment with that and come. Okay, very quickly. So this. Let's give. So we have the div, right? What's the div? Let's redo the things well. Okay. So we have div. Okay. We have div. Inside the div, let's write some h3 there. Let's h1. Okay. Words speak louder. Words speak louder. Control plus S. Let's go to the browser to see there. Words speak louder. Now words speak louder is the content itself, but inside that content there is some space that we call padding. Let's give the h3 a background color. Okay, this background color that we are seeing here, this one is actually the div. Okay, is the div itself, but there is h3. This is the h3 itself. So let's point it in the what, and then give it a background color. Okay, let's go to our css. So we say div h1. That means we are pointing to what? This div and then its element that is inside it, the h1. So we go out and then go to a new line. So we say div, we say div, give some space, and I say h1. Curly brace open, curly brace close. Background color. Oh, this one. What background color? What color is this? Is it kind of sea aquamarine or something like that? Background color of aquamarine. Let's keep that aquamarine. Let's go to the website. It has been applied, right? See it. It has been applied from left to right simply because h1 is a block element. Okay, but if it's an inline element, it will not do that. Yeah. So I want us to decrease the size of the font. Let's go down to 40 pixels. Okay, and let's check and see. All right, it's not bad at all. Now there is some space. That is what this inside space, that space that is surrounding the item itself or the content itself. This space that is surrounding the content itself is what we call the padding. So let's come to our css and say padding. Okay, padding. Okay, padding. Let's say padding 15 pixels. Want the padding with an amount of what? 15 pixels. Let's see what happens. Oh, it has been applied, but probably it's not enough. So let's say 40 pixels to that particular h1 item. You can see that it has increased in size. Let's add more. Let's make it 70 pixels. Control plus S. This live server is really slow. What kind of message appears before? So people, you can see that the space that is surrounding the content or the item itself is increasing because what? We are saying padding. Let's even add more padding. Let's say 150. Even okay, 200. See it too? It has even grown and it has even become more than that particular thing that it is itself. It is inside. So padding is the inside space for an element. Okay, but the space that is surrounding the content itself is what I call the padding. padding also have the padding top. So the padding also has what? The padding top. That's the padding right, padding bottom, padding left. But let's go again. The content can be a text, okay? Can be an image or anything at all that you are what? You have put in your HTML element or what the element is keeping. Now, we can have the topmost area, spacing. That's what we call the padding top. The spacing at the right side from the content or the item itself or the content itself, that's the padding right. The spacing going down to the bottom from the content or the padding bottom. The spacing that is going to what? To the left side, that we call the padding left. So over here too, there is an illustration to that. Let me increase the size. Some of you are seeing from a mobile phone, so increase the size more. So this is what the words, the H3 words, content. Then at the top, that space that is surrounding the item, that tiny space around the item, we can enlarge it